Hey, it's Dominique from Well Medical Arts, and today I'm going to teach you about eye rejuvenation. One of the first things that we do for crow's feet and then the tiny fine lines underneath the eye is Botox. We know Botox is a muscle relaxer. The muscle around the eye is a circle, and as we're aging, it's wanting to shrink down and press down and make the crow's feet. When we go in, this point will give a little bit of a lateral brow lift, and these points will open up the eye. Allergan, the makers of Botox, recommends 24 units. That's what I usually start with. It's 12 and 12, so 4, 4, 4. That will open the eye nicely. The other point that I like to use the Botox for is the smaller circle of a muscle that goes around, and that is for this little tiny point right underneath the lash, right underneath the pupil. We'll only use about 2 to 3 units, and that will soften up the little tiny lines underneath the eye. Really valuable point. Women usually cringe when I'm telling them about it. I usually say, don't worry, I don't do it on a first date. I'll wait to get to know you a little bit, and then I'll get those little guys that you want so badly done under your eye. Next thing I like to do is assess the people who have what's volume loss under the eye. That area is called the tear trough, and I go in and I fill that. So usually people call it dark circles. It's a concavity. It's casting a shadow. So we go in and we fill that. I could do a whole video just on this particular technique that I've developed to fill the tear trough. People love it. It works wonders. And then lastly, I like to use a hyaluronic acid serum around the eyes. I love the SkinCeuticals HA Intensifier. Using a good hyaluronic acid around the eye is going to make your neuromodulator, your Botox, work better, and it's also going to keep all the tissue around the eye nice and hydrated. It's hydrophilic, water loving. It draws water in plumps, so it keeps that eye tissue looking nice and dewy. Keep up on the Botox every 3 months, and then if it's needed to fill it, we plan a day to fill it, and then keep using your serums. Those combination of things will keep your eyes looking nice and rejuvenated and fresh.